The Gladiator music theme, so powerful. Here are 5 reasons to love it, coming up. Hello everybody, I am Valentin from The Wise Owl. This channel is all about music insights. So if you like a song or if you are a musician, you will find great value here. So make sure you subscribe to find more videos that you like. Today we will be having a conversation about the Gladiator music theme. Here are my top 5 reasons to love the songs. I want to hear your reasons and feedback in the comment section below. Number 1. I like the music because I like the movie powerful message. The main hero reached his life goal, justice, and died with an extremely happy image of life after death in his head. Found paradise where he reunited his family. Check out how careful the moments when the theme appears are chosen. Number 2. The raising note by note bass line, running up the octave. It's like Hans Zimmer is trying to say to us that with every new chord, the main hero is getting closer to his goal and to the promised world. Check this out, follow the bass line. Number 3. The song final chord progression is a message of a happy ending. As listeners, we feel at ease. We love when we hear this 5-to-1 chord progression. Number 4. The usage of that unknown mysterious language. It feels like talking with God. Lisa Gerard sings in a language that she started to invent at the age of 12. The scientific term is idioglossia. Number 5. Vocals. A powerful deep voice combined with the contralto's vocal range. I couldn't imagine that I would like the song so much if instead of the lower morning notes, there were high, long notes. Cool, now your turn. What do you think about this list? What else would you add to it? Let us hear from you in the comment section below. Please like the video if you made it so far and remember to subscribe to find more videos that you like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.